So I think this is a really good exercise for founders and supplement brand marketers and owners to really reverse engineer some of what the top brands are doing in the space. So looking at like the 8 and 9 figure brands. And what I really like to do is like look at what they're doing from their ads all the way down to the checkout process. And what Athletic Greens do so well is they really optimize their funnel to really target the four North Star key metrics. So looking at how they can reduce CAC and CPA as much as possible, how they can increase their AOV everywhere in the funnel, how they can get as many repeat customers and lifetime value, and how they can really get the most out of their conversion rate. So everything is totally optimized for that. So what I've done is just picked out some ads that have been running for over 300 days. So these are some of the evergreen ads that they used. And for these two on the left, again, they're looking at the whole package and the whole bundle from the very top of funnel. And what this does is it gets out the sort of mentality of just introducing one product or one narrow pain point. And again, this is just going to be so good for average order value, getting as much out of pushing these bundles. So this is going to like offset the rising customer acquisition costs and paid socials. But there is a caveat. Obviously, Athletic Greens has hundreds of millions of pounds in dollars spent in awareness. It is easier for them to do it, but I just really liked how it's pushing the immune support set, pushing the routine from the top of funnel. And then they've also got lots of testimonial images and videos. And then they go into like sort of looking at different pain points the audience has. So obviously like healthy gut health is a big push in the health space now. And then they also have like lots of ingredient heavy creatives as well. So that's the top of funnel. And I thought it was interesting, and a lot of the ads went to this pre-sale page before any of the like sort of checkouts. And again, this is just stacking social proof. They have more reviews, and they're pushing the routine again, and the taglines themselves come with like scientific articles, and like sort of numbers to just really back what is everything's going into it. They also have benefits of the bundles and the different features as well. So again, this is just warming up the audience before they go at if before they go to a straight product page. So this moves us on to the get your AG. So you can either get the pouch or the travel packs. I thought this was really clever of differentiating, and it just shows that it's really versatile where you're going to be taking these supplements. And then it's still not on the checkout page. Then it really pushes the subscriptions. So obviously the double subscription is weighted with more incentives, so you'll get a better sort of cost per serving, and you will, yeah. So it's a bit, yeah. It's basically like an incentive one there, and then the try once. So that's like there's no other benefits at all, and it just shows that like it really doesn't want to get into single for subscriptions, because that is so important for subscription brands. You need to really get the second and third month to break even on your acquisition costs. And then then this moves all the way down the checkout process. So we've been through a few processes of warming and answering objections and showing features. This is when we get into the checkout. So it shows all the different bundles, the prices of the bundles, what they would be, and they also have like upsell opportunities as well. And I would say this is like a really low friction checkout. There's different pay options, and yeah, I'll just say this funnel in general is just really optimized to get as much out of the LTV, the AOV, as much as possible. And yeah, that's a mini breakdown. I'll probably be doing one of these every week. So yeah, stay tuned.